Hey, what's going on, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about the best airline credit cards of 2024. So, let's go. Choosing the right airline credit card can make a significant difference in your travel experience, from earning rewards to enjoying valuable perks. To help you find the best fit, we've compiled a list of the top 5 airline credit cards of 2024, each offering unique benefits tailored to frequent flyers. Whether you prefer Delta, American Airlines, Southwest, or United, these cards provide generous rewards, travel protections, and exclusive benefits to enhance your journey. Let's start with Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. The Chase Sapphire Preferred Card is a versatile travel rewards card that appeals to frequent travelers. With an annual fee of $95, it offers an impressive reward structure. Earn 5 points per dollar on travel booked through Chase Travel, 3 points on dining and select streaming services, 2 points on other travel purchases, and 1 point on everything else. New cardholders can enjoy a welcome offer of 60,000 bonus points after spending $4,000 in the first 3 months, which can be redeemed for travel or transferred to numerous airline partners. Additional benefits include travel protections such as trip cancellation insurance and a $50 annual hotel credit when booked through Chase Travel. This card's flexibility and robust rewards make it an excellent choice for those who value both travel and dining experiences. Next is the American Express Delta SkyMiles Gold Card. The Delta SkyMiles Gold American Express card is a fantastic option for loyal Delta Airlines flyers. With an annual fee of $150 waived for the first year, this card allows you to earn 2 miles per dollar on Delta purchases, restaurants, and U.S. supermarkets, while all other purchases earn 1 mile. New cardholders can benefit from a welcome bonus of 40,000 miles after spending $1,000 in the first 3 months. One of its standout features is the first checked bag free for you and up to 8 companions on the same reservation, which can save you significant money on baggage fees. Additionally, cardholders receive priority boarding and the opportunity to earn a flight credit annually, making this card a great choice for frequent Delta travelers looking to maximize their rewards and travel comfort. Next is the Citi A Advantage Platinum Select World Elite MasterCard. The Citi A Advantage Platinum Select World Elite MasterCard is tailored for American Airlines enthusiasts. With a $99 annual fee waived for the first year, this card rewards you with 2 miles per dollar spent on American Airlines purchases, restaurants, and gas stations, while all other purchases earn 1 mile. New cardholders can earn a welcome bonus of 50,000 A Advantage miles after spending $20,500 in the first 3 months. Key benefits include a free checked bag for you and up to 4 travel companions, priority boarding, and the ability to earn loyalty points towards elite status. This card is ideal for those who frequently fly with American Airlines, providing valuable perks that enhance travel experiences and help you accumulate miles quickly. Next is the Southwest Rapid Rewards Priority Credit Card. The Southwest Rapid Rewards Priority Credit Card is perfect for travelers who frequently fly with Southwest Airlines. With an annual fee of $149, this card allows you to earn 3 points per dollar on Southwest purchases, 2 points on hotel and car rental purchases, and 1 point on all other purchases. New cardholders can earn 50,000 bonus points after spending $1,000 in the first 3 3 months. One of the card's key benefits is the 7,500 bonus points awarded each year on your card member anniversary, along with a free checked bag for you and up to 3 companions. Additionally, there are no foreign transaction fees, making it a great option for international travelers. With its generous rewards and travel perks, this card is an excellent choice for those who prioritize flying Southwest. Next is the United Explorer card. The United Explorer card is an excellent choice for those who frequently fly with United Airlines. With an annual fee of $95 waived the first year, this card offers 2 miles per dollar on United purchases, dining, and hotel stays, while all other purchases earn 1 mile. New cardholders can enjoy a welcome bonus of 60,000 miles after spending $3,000 in the first 3 months. The card provides valuable benefits, including a free checked bag for you and a companion on the same reservation, priority boarding, and 2 one-time United Club passes each year. Additionally, cardholders can earn 25% back on in-flight purchases. With its robust rewards program and travel perks, the United Explorer card is a fantastic option for those looking to enhance their travel experience with United Airlines. When selecting an airline credit card, consider your travel preferences, spending habits, and the benefits that matter most to you. The cards highlighted offer a range of rewards, perks, and annual fees, so choose the one that aligns with your needs and maximizes your travel experiences. By strategically using these cards, you can earn valuable miles, enjoy exclusive benefits, and make the most of your travels in 2024 and beyond.